welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle if you haven't been here before. Today we are going to be cleaning up the living room. It's currently a complete disaster. I have 2 kids and it's just a mess. So we're gonna clean up the living room, and then tonight I'm actually gonna take you with me and we are gonna go buy some new decor items, new wall decor, some new like little knickknacks and stuff like that for our living room because it's currently lacking a lot of character. And so we kind of want to just go into the new year with a fresh, clean, redecorated living room. So that's what we're going to do today. We're kind of on a budget, so I don't know how much we'll get done, but let's get started. lighting is bad. So I'm at Hobby Lobby now. I know Hobby Lobby kind of sucks. They have some shitty things that they've done in the past, but I live in a town that this is literally the only store other than Walmart that you can shop at for home decor.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging. So we're kind of stuck with going to Hobby Lobby for things like crafts and everything because this town sucks. But anyway, we are gonna go in. James is gonna meet me here and he's gonna take the kids and handle them while we're in the store. And I'm gonna do some shopping for our lovely living room. So let's do this. So it's a different day now and we picked out a bunch of decor to go on this wall. So we are going to put that all up now and see how it looks. We like cut out some papers. We started already. We cut out some papers to like hang everything, but you can watch this process now. Well, there we have it. Our beautiful gallery wall is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this awesome video. I had so much fun with it, so much fun shopping. I love shopping. And we are just in love with how this wall turned out. It's been a few days and we catch ourselves staring at it randomly because we just love it so much. It looks so great. It really makes our living room feel like a home instead of just random things, I guess. I don't know. It makes a big difference, honestly. We had originally planned on also including clips of like decorating our TV stand and like around our living room, but we're kind of limited on where we can shop because of our town that we live in, and we're not really going anywhere due to COVID reasons. So we didn't get a chance to finish that part of it, so I'm not including any of that in there. But maybe in an upcoming video or sometime soon we'll have a more completed TV stand set up and everything, so we'll share that with you. So Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and comment down below how your day is going. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!